Alright guys, this is not really laser related, but it will be because I'm gonna start making laser parts. So I've taken a break from Cyclops for a day or two, and we're playing with Marlin a little bit there. So I got Cyclops. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna call this thing. But anyway, I'm gonna make a couple of mods for the printer itself. Then I'm gonna start making some laser mods. Anyway, I haven't checked in with you guys for a little bit, so I thought I'd do a quick video and say I haven't fallen off the earth. I'm just out of the radar for a little bit, but I'll have some more laser videos coming up very soon. So you guys check my channel every once in a while. Thank you. Have a good evening. Tech Bravo out.